Big changes are coming to the Minneapolis suburbs in 2025. We're talking massive new developments, new restaurants, entertainment spots, and even big shifts in real estate. Some of these projects could completely change certain suburbs, and if you're thinking about moving, buying, or just love keeping up with the area, you'll want to know about what's going on. What's up, everybody? My name is Jadde Rowe with the Living in Minneapolis Suburbs team. I live and breathe the Minneapolis suburbs, and I am your local suburbs realtor. Today, we're diving into everything new and coming soon in 2025. Some of the changes are exciting, some are unexpected, and a few might just make you rethink where you want to live. So let's dive in. Let's start off with one of the biggest trends that's happening across the suburbs. Huge new developments that are set to shake things up. The first one that we're going to talk about is the Maple Grove Community Center and Lifetime Fitness expansion. The city of Maple Grove and Lifetime have come to an agreement buying land for a new Lifetime over by the Target and Home Depot in Maple Grove, just off of 610, where a brand new Lifetime will be built along with condos. In this agreement, the community center and the city will expand into the old Lifetime Center, where they plan on building another ice rink, expand their community center to a total of 3 ice rinks. They also plan to expand their community center amenities and improve their parking lot. Construction for phase 1 started in August of 2024 and runs through the fall of 2025. This will be a multi-phase project, and we will keep you updated as things progress on this massive $110 million project that's going to completely transform the community center of Maple Grove, that area, and bring an incredible, thriving Lifetime fitness community, basically center around where that new Lifetime is going. We're talking like a very, very nice Lifetime, I think. The one that we have currently now in Maple Grove is kind of that middle level. I think the new one that's coming in 2025 from the renderings that I've seen is going to be very, very top tier. You know, hot tubs, cold tubs, saunas, steam rooms, all the fancy equipment, gyms, pickleball courts, probably some outdoor courts, who knows, but it's going to be huge. It's going to be right off of 610, and it'll be very, very exciting, and I'm excited for this personally because I do go to Lifetime and I enjoy their gyms. Next on our list is a major development happening in Blaine. A new sports entertainment district is planned near the National Sports Center called the National Sports Village. It's set to be a $500 to $750 million venture. The location for this project will be situated near 105th Avenue, Nassau Street, and Radisson Road in Blaine. There's a lot of key features of this proposed development that include, first off, a 3,500 seat outdoor stadium is planned, providing a venue for both various sports and entertainment events. The development is also going to include a field house equipped with pickleball courts and a restaurant catering to both sports enthusiasts and diners. An attraction similar to Topgolf is also being proposed that offers a modern golfing experience for all skill levels. 2 hotels are also planned to accommodate visitors, addressing the current shortage of lodging options during major events like the 3M golf tournament, which I know does get backed up. And then nearly 400 market rate apartments will be constructed as well, providing new housing opportunities within the district. If that's not it, a medical office facility is also included in the plans, enhancing healthcare accessibility for residents and visitors in Blaine. Construction is underway currently in 2025 and will take several years to fully complete, but phase 1 has started. The development is expected to significantly boost Blaine's economy by attracting more visitors and providing additional amenities for the National Sports Center attendees. The inclusion of the hotel also aims to alleviate the current shortage of accommodations during major events like the 3M golf tournament, ensuring that participants and visitors both have a place to stay. This project seriously represents a transformative opportunity for Blaine, enhancing its appeal as a destination and providing a centralized area where people can live, work, and play. The city's proactive approach in acquiring land and planning this development underscores its commitment to fostering community growth and economic vitality. I know a lot of people that are moving to Blaine that want to be in Blaine. It's a great spot. The National Sports Center and this development are insane. They have really good restaurants up there. They have really good golf courses. real estate prices are really strong, and they do have some newer homes and newer developments as well. So Blaine is definitely a spot that I would keep my eye on if I was someone who is looking to make a move across the country or making a move within the state. I'm definitely helping people make a move to Blaine. I actually have some showings tonight in Blaine, and it's definitely a great community, so definitely look into it if you're thinking of making a move within the state. A quick interruption to this video. I have to ask, if you are thinking of making a move within the state or across the country, please reach out to me, as my team and I would love to serve you and be your local real estate resource. All right, we know the area. We've helped hundreds of families relocate or make a move within the state. So if you're thinking of making a move to the Minneapolis suburbs, reach out to me. My team and I would be honored to serve you. Let's get back into the video now. Number 3 on our list is the Metro Blue Line extension, which is set to transform the Northwest Minneapolis-St. Paul metro area by introducing light rail transit through North Minneapolis, Robbinsville, Crystal, and Brooklyn Park. The 13-mile line will stretch from the Oak Grove station in Brooklyn Park to the Target Field station in downtown Minneapolis. Brooklyn Park will feature 5 different stations: Oak Grove Parkway and West Broadway, 93rd Avenue North and West Broadway, 85th Avenue North and West Broadway, Brooklyn Boulevard and West Broadway, and finally 63rd Avenue North and Highway 81. Preliminary design plans received approval from Brooklyn Park's City Council back in September of 2024, on September 23rd, and currently in 2025, strategies for the development and environmental research is underway. Construction is actually not slated to commence until 2027, with the line becoming operational not until 2030 actually, so a few more years until it's actually operational. But upon completion, the Blue Line extension will link Brooklyn Park to a lot of different areas, including the Metro Green Line, which connects downtown and heads east to St. Paul, the future Metro Green Line extension, which is going to connect the downtown Minneapolis area to the communities of St. Louis Park, Hopkins, Minnetonka, and Eden Prairie, which is going to pass nearby Edina even, both the Metro Orange and Red Line bus routes, and then finally the North Star commuter rail line, which covers the northeast suburbs of Fridley, Anoka, Ramsey, Coon Rapids, Blaine. This extension promises enhanced access to employment, education, and entertainment for Brooklyn Park and all of the Northwest community residents, making a significant advancement in the region's transportation infrastructure, as honestly, more and more people don't want to live in the downtown area, but want to have easier and easier access to get downtown without just driving, which can be a hassle during rush hour and just overall a lot of cars in the area. People want to be able to get to downtown without always having to have a car or take a car. So this new development is huge for that northwest community of Brooklyn Park, Maple Grove, Plymouth, and all of the surrounding areas. It gives them an easy access to get downtown if they'd like. As additional value to you guys, another major redevelopment in Plymouth is currently happening called the Boulevard. Basically, the Prudential Campus redevelopment is what locals are calling it. It's a 75-acre mixed-use project at Bass Lake Road and Highway 494 in Plymouth. It's a $300 million development transforming the former Prudential campus. So what's coming in 2025 is a Summit Orthopedics, an 80,000 square foot building set to open in October of 2025. A Coburn's grocery store, plans are submitted for that, and construction is expected to start in 2025. And then the Baltera Apartments, which are market rate housing projects that are going to break ground in 2025 as well. This massive transformation is set to reshape Plymouth's northern corridor, bringing more homes, businesses, and amenities to honestly one of the most desirable Minneapolis suburbs. It was crazy when I saw the Prudential campus get shut down. It was a massive complex, and there's a lot now happening and being redeveloped there, and it'll be super cool to see some of these businesses move in here in 2025. So why does all of this even matter? Because these developments don't just bring new restaurants or shopping. They actually impact real estate, home values, and where people want to live. Some suburbs are becoming even more desirable, which means home prices could rise quickly in certain areas with the increase in job opportunities and things to do in those areas. And some suburbs that were once overlooked might honestly become the next big hotspots in the Minneapolis area. If you are moving in 2025, these changes could seriously impact your decision on where to live and where home values will continue to rise. But I honestly want to hear from you. Which of these new developments are you most excited about? Please drop a comment or thought down below. And if you are thinking about buying or selling in the Minneapolis suburbs, make sure to reach out to me directly, as my team and I would love to serve you. We will talk to you guys soon on the next video.